Sorry for the disconnecting. Basically, I came up with urgent work. So I'm again starting from the organizing function of management, and let me give you the example of organizing function of management. A Brazilian company, Semco, reorganized itself, and it was a highly structured autocratic company, and it transformed itself into a highly democratic, and which allowed the employees a lot of freedom, and which worked on trust, and it again came back into the making of propellers, pipes, and all kind of sanitary equipments and material. So Semco is the best company example to give in the organizing function. Basically, organizing function requires sometimes the restructuring of the organization and laying off the unprofitable businesses, and also pursue to the future businesses, pursuing to the future businesses, as well as also foreseeing the future, and also analyzing the current trends and act accordingly to adopt to the political, economical, cultural, natural changes and technological changes. Basically, it is the adaptation and acquirement of the change, because nothing is constant in world except change. So this is what organizing function is about, in which a lot of other organizations have adopted themselves, like Xerox, like IBM, like Hewlett Packard. So the organizations which keep on changing themselves perform very high for the in future prospects. After discussing the organizing function of management, let's discuss the management function which comes after organizing function is leading. There are different types of leaders, as we have discussed already as well. So let me give you some examples here. First of all, let me give you the example of US aircraft, as I discussed earlier as well in the beginning. General Creech, he was the person who announced and improved the motivation and announced the prizes and rewards for maintenance technicians, and he also improved the living facilities for the technicians. He painted the paintings on the walls of their cabins and walls of their containers wherever they were located and wherever they were living, and also recognized their efforts. After every single effort of improving the aircraft of US, he announced a reward for technicians, which was supposed to be given just after aircraft starts flying. So he was indeed a really great leader. So this is an example of leading. Basically, leading is influencing the people to motivate the people to perform the organizational tasks to achieve the organizational goals. This is what basically leading is. Let me give you another example of leading, which is from Southwest Airlines, and the CEO of Southwest Airline was a wonderful person, and he was indeed a great leader. And he basically, what he did, he appreciated each and every person who was working in Southwest Airline. Even a sweeper, when he did his job very well, he appreciated the sweeper and also appreciated him in front of other managers, and a sweeper was even treated as a manager. And this is how everybody took the ownership of the organization, and the Southwest Airline, which was a sinking airline, got improved really much. and he used to visit all the employees who were sick, and regardless of their designation, regardless of their financial status, he even used to visit the cook of Southwest Airline when he got ill, even the steward, even sweeper. He used to visit all the people who got sick or who were in need of help. He always helped each and every employees out. And on St. Patrick's Day, he wear a dress like very common employees, and he wear a dress of a technician of Southwest Airline. So this type of leader is always very successful. On the contrary, let me give you the example from Braniff Airline. The CEO of Braniff Airline, who was Harding Lawrence. He was the CEO of Braniff Airline, and he was the person. Let me give you an example of an incident in his airlines. He was traveling from US to Canada, and one of his air hostess assumed that what he needs, so she came up with some kind of wine and also some snacks, and she assumed that he would like that, but on the contrary, he threw it out, and he also did not like, and also shouted on that employee that how could you assume that what I want. So you should never assume until I give the instructions. So these type of leaders are not very successful. So these are some of the examples of leadership. If I give you the example from Pakistan, so there are many leaders who inspire the people, who motivate the people, and they enjoy a lot of followers. Despite they are not so much very rich, they are not so much very popular, but ultimately they become popular. Like Abdul Sattar Idi, he is known to be the leader who established a largest ambulance service in the world, named by Idi Ambulance Service. So these type of leaders always inspire the people to bring a change in society, to make a good move for the humanity. So these type of leaders are always successful, who care about their people, who care about their employees, who care about their families, who care about their society. So ultimately these leaders are very successful in their careers and their organizations. So the last but not least, a management function which comes after leading is controlling. Controlling basically means the monitoring of activities of employees and make a corrective action when there is a deviation. So let me give you an example of controlling. It is from GSK, GlaxoSmithKline, when FDA came to know about the malpractices of GSK with healthcare professionals. It put a penalty on GSK for off-label promotion of a drug. So after that, GSK took corrective actions, and after paying the penalty, it did not promote the off-label promotion, and it also withdraw that product from global market. So these are some of the examples of 4 management functions, that is planning, organizing, leading and controlling. In our next video, we'll be talking about the whole organizational performance, hopefully. Before that, please do not forget to press the bell icon and subscribe my channel, and also like my video. Thank you very much for watching. See you and take care.